This will lead you towards your L-shaped living and the dining space, where you can add up your L-shaped platform with a huge master bed which you can sit in the center of the room over here. What if your next investment feels less like a city project and more like forest retreat in Bangalore? This is all about Godrej Vanantara. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Godrej Vanantara, developed by Godrej Properties, located right here in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, and let me show you the surrounding. So I'm standing on the main entrance. This is the main entrance of our Godrej Vanantara. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and goes up to 36 massive acre. The marketing office of our project is inside our land parcel itself. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And our project is spread across 36 acres of massive land consisting of 14 high-rise towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium homes. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 100 plus curated amenities like you get a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, cricket ground, swimming pool with deck, sports arena, open garden space, pond that relaxes your mind, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located off Bannerghatta Road in Bannerghatta, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So the main entrance will be coming up over here, and exactly in front of it is the Dinepalya main road. So this Dinepalya road will connect you towards Bannerghatta Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards CK Palya. Now about the further connectivity part, so you can connect to Greenwood High School is just 100 meters away from our project, DMart Bannerghatta is 2.8 kilometers away, and Jivalia Institute of Philosophy, that is 4.2 kilometers from our project. So now the wait is over and we are heading towards your 3 BHK model flat of 1988 square feet super built up area. So the main entrance is right over here where I'm standing, and they have perfectly taken care of the video door phone, that is for your security. And for your privacy, here's the huge foyer area which comes up with vitrified flooring, and even you can add up your shoe rack space. This will lead you towards your L-shaped living and the dining space. So this is your living area where you can have a look with a perfect interior done for your reference. You can add up your teapot, your couch, your sofa set, and even this is the TV unit space. And this living area has a perfect attached balcony right over here. So this is the attached balcony where you can enjoy a perfect nature. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, 3-side open view with iron railing. And you can add up your own things over here. You can add up your swing or a chair and a table. Now just you enter inside. Let's focus upon the dining area, and the dining area is specifically much more spacious where you can add up your 6-seater of dining table like this, and this dining area is exactly opposite to your kitchen space. So here is your kitchen area, and this kitchen area is actually spacious one where you can add up your L-shaped platform. And you can have a look at the cozy interior where the white goods, the platform, the cabinets, everything is taken care of for your reference. You can add up your sink area right this side. And this kitchen area also comes up with a perfect utility space with anti-skid flooring, again a sink area, half wall structure, and provision for your machine is offered over here. Now about your bedroom space, so let's quickly move towards your bedroom area, and this unit is in butterfly concept. So basically your bedroom number 1 is on the other side. So here is your bedroom number 1. Once you step inside over here, you can have a look at the huge bedroom space where there is ample of space to move around inside the room. Specifically, this is the bed space where you can add up your bed and the window, which is perfect for your ventilation and lighting. The wardrobe, you can fit in your wardrobe exactly this side. The TV unit is exactly over here, and even you can add up a dresser or else a work table exactly here. Again about the washroom, so here's the private washroom that comes up with your bedroom number 1. With anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Here the shower area is divided via tile drop. Now moving towards your bedroom number 2, which I mentioned, these bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So walking through your living area and your bedroom number 2 is right over here. So once you step inside, you can again have a look at the space that this bedroom offers you. And a bed space. Over here you can fit in your bed right in the center. Here's a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Talking about the wardrobe space, you can fit in your wardrobe right over here. You can even add up your dresser at the side, and you can even add up your work table, study table or TV unit exactly in front. So once you step outside this bedroom and with the easy access, the common washroom is right over here. So this is the common washroom. Again in the center of the house I can call it, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. The shower area is divided by a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. Now your master bedroom is right over this side, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com, so what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about your master bedroom. So yes, the wait is over and we are heading towards your master bedroom. So this is the most spacious room of your house, and you can have a look at the ample of space that this room offers you over here, with a huge master bed which you can sit in the center of the room over here. Additionally, they are offering you a perfect private balcony. So this house comes up with 2 balconies, one in master bedroom and one in living area. So this is your private balcony with anti-skid flooring, 2-side open view, iron railing, and you can enjoy a perfect me time. So once you step inside, focusing upon your work table, you can fit in your work table. They have even showed you where you can fit in your TV unit space. About the dresser as well, so yes, this is the perfect place for your dresser. And the walk-in wardrobe, the best part is the walk-in wardrobe. The walk-in wardrobe can be at this side. And here also they have offered you a perfect cross window for ventilation. Talking about the attached washroom, so this is the attached washroom. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. The sink area is offered inside itself. So this was all about your 3 BHK model flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Godrej Properties project. If you have checked another project with Godrej Properties, drop down in the comment section. And if you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Last, do not forget to give a thumbs up and to follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.